Hi, this is a quick preview of the Art of Possible session. On this call, we usually discuss how you can empower, how you can enable all your revenue teams with interactive demos. This is a quick teaser that you can watch to know what to expect from this session, and second, to get prepared for it as well, to prepare your questions, and also share with us where we should focus when we meet with you and your team. So let's dive into that. And as you can already see, we will be focusing on the entire funnel, starting from the very beginning. For example, marketing and business development teams, sales, pre-sales teams, customer success, how you can enable partners as well. We'll be talking about two main things. The first one is all the possible use cases. And here we will try to look beyond the most popular and well-known use cases. For example, putting a product tour on the website. We'll be also looking into a variety of possibilities, opportunities that our customers use today. Also, we here at Demo Boost do, because we try to live what we preach. For example, it's not just about website. We'll be talking about how you can use interactive demos in your social activation efforts, email campaigns, newsletters, events, outbound, all of that. And we'll try to dive in deeper into that. So if you're talking about social use case, we'll be talking how you can use it in your company profile communications, how you can use it in your, for example, for brand building, for your employees, feature announcements, and even more. The same if we go into sales process, it's not just about how you can use those demos, just sharing demos after the meeting or enable your account executives to do live demos, but it's also about separating it for different teams, for different stages at your sales process. So that's one thing that we'll be talking about, all the possible opportunities for use cases. And another one is technical solutions that we offer here at Demo Boost for your team, depending, for example, if you're talking about intro live demos, depending on how experienced your account executive team is, how complex your product is, the solutions will be different. So it can be as simple as just having a very strict linear flow everyone should follow, or you'd like to have more possibility with tour navigation or sandbox example. And we'll also be showing all the examples for each use case, for each technical solution that we have here at Demo Boost, be it a tour navigation, for example, button to jump straight into different models, different features, or even building a sandbox type of demo where you can go anywhere you want, wherever the conversation takes you with the customer. We also will be looking into different models that we have here at Demo Boost. So, for example, where you would use tours and where would be the best fit to use Demo Boost overlay. So I think this is a bit of a teaser into what we'll be looking into. I don't want to make this video too long because maybe there will be too much information, and in this case we won't need this Art of Possible session. Thank you very much for your time. Looking forward to meeting you and your team. And if there are any questions that you already have, or if you can already share where you think we should focus when we meet you, please let us know. Looking forward to meeting you all.